What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're gathering around with our church and we're gonna have a picnic. It's gonna be fun. There's gonna be bouncy houses and a lot of games, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload. And you guys got anything to say?
Like and subscribe.
Alright, see you guys later. Peace.
I know. Sorry po yun. With behind us. Say hi. It's so. Where's Micah? Hey, Micah. Say hi. Hi. Say hi.
Damien, hello. What's that? Wow.
What are you guys going up to? Huh? 10, okay. Comment down hashtag Rawson or hashtag Elston. Get out your sweater. Who do you think you are trying to act cool? Your crazy self.
Can you start?
Okay, yeah, start. Hurry up. One zero? sound. I made it. Woo! Hi. Ah, that's so tiring. I lost it. You doing it again? I'm doing it again. So hard, bro. With the camera, it's hard. Hi. Move these things. I'm under. Hi. I made it. Let's go. I made it! Woo! Look at this view. Ready?
Whoa, you're supposed to go through the hole!
Yeah,
Go through the hole!
I put it down because I'm gonna rip it. It's so fun. You must did it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Miles, here. 1, 2, I'm gonna try. 3. I'm number 50. Watch out, watch out.
What's up, guys? I'm doing perfect in this one.
I'm so tired.
Come on, ready? 1, 2.
Maset, raset. Ça veut dire la farcette. Mars, paano lang? Yeah, run.
Let's go. You go jump. Can you go jump with Elston? Okay, let's go.
Guys, ladies and gentlemen, Jenny's is going to her bouncy house. That thing back.
You about to eat. Oh, sorry, I zoomed in.
Boy! Look at that.
Focus, focus.
ASMR.
ASMR.
want your slippers?
Off the towel, whatever that is.
Hit him. Do it.
Alright. Your turn.
Dad already made one against Ridway.
That's right.
Go.
Try it again.
Because.
Oh, one.
He made that.
Yeah, this is it.
Go.
My turn?
Yes.
Oh, that was close. Oh, nice shot. Hey, Jenny's, get up, get up, get up.
Catch, ready?
Get up, get up, get up.
Ready?
Let's go slide.
Alright, let's play, dude. Spikeball.
Oh, you lost.
Hold on, do I have a camera?
That one.
The score, they have 2, you guys got 0.
Oh my god.
Boy, Morals.
Nope.
Okay, Miles, Miles.
You better do it. Lower. Aim it right. Lower. You did it!
Whoa!
Bro, what a loser.
Find the partner.
I was telling you. Get away from
GG. GG, brother.
Go.
You did it! Oh! 1-0. Please start from jump. Stay up.
So I came in here and I was going to listen to music. And I said, well, they're going to 3 o'clock. Just put it down there and leave it. That's why we left about 4 and I still wasn't really. So that's why I went down. It's supposed to be on. Spencer na ulit talakyan, Princess.
Can I drink a water? Where is it? This one?
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. I'm sorry if it was short. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload a banger. And thank you for supporting us on our channel. Thank you for all those 1,110 subscribers. And see you guys next time. Peace.
Peace out.